showing you how you can start for free with Levels Rewards, how to sign up, which offers to do, how to get to level 1, and how to start making money, okay? This is probably going to be one of the easiest ways that you can make money, and you're going to be able to use this video after you complete the steps that I show you to start for free, okay? After you do this, all you have to do is show someone else how to do the exact same thing, starting for free, no money out of pocket, okay? A free program online where you can just show other people, share it on social media, show them how to start for free, and make extra money every single day, okay? I'm going to show you proof, and I'm going to show you how to get started, but that's the first thing we're going to do right now. So if someone has shown you this video, go back to them right now and get the link from them, okay? And follow these exact steps, because this is probably going to be the first page that you see, or you're going to see the sign up page. All right, so get that link. If you signed up with me, go to the registration page. There'll probably be a registration link I give you. So click on, you should be able to click on sign up now, or, be able to, do this here. So I'm just going to make a dummy account for this right now. Just going to put in whatever just to show you guys how to get started. And then I'm going to log into my account after that and share how to do offers and how to reach level 1, okay? Now, the way we make money with Levels Rewards, basically easiest step 1, 2, 3. Level up, share, and help others, okay? And we level up by completing offers, trial offers, okay? Free trial offers, no money out of pocket trial offers. All you got to do is complete a couple steps trials offers. You get what I mean? So that's it. It's no money out of your pocket. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Okay, so I'm just going to create a password here, and then I'm going to sign up. So this is all you're going to be doing when you first initially start. You're going to click sign up, and then it's going to ask you to complete your registration. Okay, so completing your registration. This is very important. You got your first name, last name. Just gonna put some stuff here. All right, and this is a old account, so an old address. I don't live there anymore, so whatever. Put your address and all of that stuff. Select your country. Me, I would be in the United States, so whenever it pops up, I don't think it's popping up. I'll click this here. For some reason, it's not showing up with the. It's giving me that though. Country. Let me try to refresh the page real quick. Hold on. See if it pops up now. Where is it? USA. There it is. Okay, good. So this, I'm just gonna put. Let's see that right there. There we go. All right. And birthday. Oops. Alright. And all of that good stuff. Alright, and now here we go. For you guys to get paid, there's either PayPal, bank transfer, or Amazon gift card. Okay? Me, I like to get paid with PayPal. You can choose whatever you want. And then after that, you want to click these 3 buttons here. Okay? I understand how to get paid with this site. I know that only 1 account per household. I understand terms and conditions. In order to be eligible, you have to level up. After you level up, you get $5 per person. Okay, so now you just click complete registration, and then you'll be good to go. All right. Now, once you complete registration, I'm going to show you exactly where to go now. Once you complete registration, you should already be logged in, but I'm just going to log into my account, okay, just to show you what offers to do and just where to start, where to go after you register. Okay, so me, I've already registered, and now it's time to reach level 1. Okay, me right now, I'm on level 20, which means I'm eligible to make up to $100 per referral. Okay, so all you got to do now is come down to the offers. Okay, here. Okay, or if you're on the status page, just scroll up here, click on this button, click on this little area right over here, and click on the offers tab. Okay, click on the offers tab, and then here you have the status page, offers tab. The payment section is where you're going to get your money when you help somebody else level up. Okay, when you help someone else level up, this is where you're going to get your payments from. Okay, here's the support tab, profile, uh, frequently asked questions, our proof picture group. I'm going to show you in a little bit, and then you can log out there. All right, so now it's time to level up. Okay, so the offers that you want to check out are the ones that say free, no credit card required. Okay, free, no credit card required. And most of those offers involve you either just downloading something or calling to inquire about it. Okay, so let's do it like this. Let's credit value. I'm gonna do it like that. Cost to user. Oh wait, let's see. Yeah, let's do credit value. Here we go. All right, so here we go. Let's see. All right, here's one right here. Life insurance. All you have to do is call and inquire about this offer here. And I'm not, depending on when you're watching this video, I'm not sure if this is still up or not, but right now it's available. All you got to do is call and inquire about the life insurance, and you will reach level 1, and you will be eligible to make $5 per referral. And that's it. That's all you got to do after that. Now, if you want to level up some more, you're more than welcome to do other offers, but you got to look for offers like this one that say free, no credit card required. This is how you start for free, guys. Okay. So, and when you see it say tap to call, all you got to do is just click on the offer. You have to be on your phone to do this one. Make sure you read the description, and then all you got to do is click complete this offer. If you're on the phone, then, you'll be able to see it on the phone and everything like that. Or you'll be able to, do it on the phone. All right. So let me show you some other offers that are free, no credit card required. Okay. So let's go here. All right. As you see here, Shop Tracker V2. This is another one. All you got to do is just earn a $3 virtual Visa reward gift card or something like that. You can click on that offer and try to do this one. Termite inspection is another one. It's not worth 1 point, but it's worth 0.75. So after that, all you would need is 0.25 credit to, be eligible to make money. Okay. Now, don't get confused about these other ones that say free, because they actually may have like a $1 authorization. So if you don't have $1, try to stay away from these ones right here. Only go to the ones that say free, no credit card required, and try to do all of those offers. Okay. And try to reach the highest level that you can, because guess what? You're just helping somebody else do the same exact thing. This is another one right here. Very, very easy to complete. Survey rewards. All you have to do is earn $3 in reward surveys, and you will make an extra. Be on level 1 to be able to be eligible. Here's another one right here. Earn cash rewards from your favorite brands. This is another one that you just got to call and inquire about if you want more information on the diabetic supplies. Let's see some other ones down here. Nielsen Rewards. This is a very, very easy one. All you got to do is just download this to your computer, and in 1 to 2 days you will reach level 1, and you will be excuse me, and you will be eligible to make some extra money, extra $5. Okay, all you got to do is get to level 1. Remember that. Okay, your card search. This is another one, 0.15. You won't be eligible to make money yet, but you'll be closer just by finishing this. And look, free, no credit card required. Okay, Triangle Cash. This is a payday loan. All you got to do is be eligible, I believe, to, let's see, requirement, complete loan application and get approved for a loan. Offer credits on approved loan and claimed funds. You must be approved for a loan at least $500 or more to get credit. So if you just want to do that just to reach level 9, then you can do that, and you'll be eligible to make $45 per referral for every person that you help do that exact same offer. Where is it at? Hold on, we just passed it, I believe. Yeah, the Triangle Cash one. So that credit value is level 9 if you just get approved for more than $500 on this one right here. So, you can be on level 9 and then help other people do that exact same offer, and then you'll make $45 every single day if you help somebody every single day. Here's another one, professional lawn care. No credit card required. All you got to do is call and inquire about it. Here's another one, National Florist. Shop Your Way. This is another easy one right here. All you got to do is just download it, I believe, and gain rewards or something like that. Just make sure you read everything before you do it. Like I said, you won't need any money or anything like that, but just to get the offer done, just make sure you read the directions. I'm showing you guys that it is possible to start for free with Levels Rewards. You just have to see which offers you can complete. Here's a spent money app right here worth 0.25. You'll have to just complete other offers, but it will help you get up, help you get there. Just completing that one. Here's another one. Say So For Good. I think it's like a what is it? Surveys that you have to complete to get this offer here. Here's another loan approval thing. Like the other one that got you to level 9. This one gets you to level 6.75. If you reach that, no credit card required. Time Bucks, gamer tag, and then these may not be here by the time you watch this video, but there's going to be other offers that don't require a credit card at all. So all you got to do is just sign up, register, and go, check out the offers and see about the ones that don't require a credit card, and just complete those, okay, until you reach level 1, okay, until you reach level 1. Remember, you have to reach level 1. Every level 1 will put, you have to reach level 1 to be eligible to make $5 per referral, okay? So once you get to level 1, then you can make money, and then you can show other people about it. If you want to make more, if any of your referrals get to level 5 on their first day, you'll get a free bonus. So if you get to level 5 on your first day, you'll get a free bonus. So you'll be actually on level 6, and you'll be eligible to make 30 per referral. So I know, you want to start for free. That's good. I'm showing you everything that you can do for free, but at the same time, you got to make this actually worth it. Okay. So, make a little bit of money with the free offers that you can help people with, get people started, show people what this is, show people this video, get back with the person that showed you this video and, get their link, finish a couple of free offers, and then show this video to somebody else again. And then, until you get enough money to where you can, level up some more, level up again so you can be able to make more per referral. That's what it's about, being able to make some more money. All right. So, I'm showing you guys the free way of doing it. Everything's free. Start Levels Rewards free. Finish the free offers. No credit card required. You see it already up here. All you got to do is take action. All you got to do is put the time in. And all you got to do is just show people this video.